Cut off one finger from a disposable glove. Then pour in some white vinegar. Tie it with a rubber band. Put the balloon over the bottle. Push the white vinegar pouch inside. Then add baking soda. Not the balloon. Gently punch it. The little pufferfish inflates.